Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up a JavaScript project and then how to run your code. I know in my past videos I've just been showing you guys like the fundamentals, but I've never really shown you how to set up a project, how to get it started, and then how to run it. So let's get right into it right now. Now the language we're going to be using is Node.js. You're going to have to download it, and so I made a video before about which languages to start coding with. In my opinion, I think JavaScript is the best one, and I'll link the video below for you to watch it. So let's get started right now. So what you have to do is you have to download Node.js. So just go on Google, look it up, and then macOS, whatever you have, macOS, Windows, just install it, and then you're good to go. So now what you're going to want to do is download a text editor so you can actually write your code. I made a video before talking about which IDEs or which text editors to use to code. I'll link that in the description below. But today we're going to be using VS Code. It's what I use every day with my job, and it's basically what I think is the best text editor to use when you start coding. It's very simple and it's very easy to use. So then you're going to want to go download VS Code. Same thing. I'll have these links in the description below. And so basically you're just going to want to download whatever, Windows, app, Mac, Linux, whatever you're using, and then you'll be ready to go. So let's open up. Here I have this is VS Code. I have it open, and basically I have a small function that is basically just printing woohoo. So now what are we doing, right? I have a function that prints, and then I'm calling that function. Okay, now we want to run this function. How do we do that? What you're going to want to do is open up terminal and check that you have Node, and then run Node with the name of the file. So let's do that right now. So what you're going to want to do on a Mac, command space terminal, open it up, and then now you have the terminal open, right? Now what you're going to want to do is navigate to where your file is and then run the file. So for me, I have to go to the desktop. That's where my file is, and then I can run it from there. So I'm going to be running the command cd to change my directory. I'm going to go to desktop and then /test. That's where it is. And I have my file right here, first.js. Now, how do I check that I have Node installed? You do node-v, and then it gives you the version you have. If you don't have the Node installed, it won't give you, it'll say that it doesn't know this command Node. But I see the version, so I know that I have Node installed. Now, all you have to do is write the word Node and then first.js, the name of your file with the extension. Don't get confused, just write first.js. Actually, will it work if I just do first? Yeah, there you go. You don't even need the extension. You just write node first or node first.js, doesn't matter, and it prints it. It's that easy, guys. Once you have this down, you can start working with your code and then running your files. That's basically it. This is all you need to know to actually start, and I hope you guys take this advice, do exactly what I just did, and then start coding. Code something simple. Literally code this Woohoo program and just get to work and get to coding. Don't forget to have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. We're growing a bit now. I'm still posting every other day, and there's a lot of cool stuff coming in the future. So have a good one, guys, and remember to always have fun coding and never give up. Thanks.